Hello friends, today I will show you how to comment out code in PHP. So let's start. Make sure you start the word run the local server. I'm just using the one server. You can use any other local host. Then open the editor. So this is my code, PHP code. I changed the string like hello world. Now we can run the code. Localhost slash php. This is the hello world. Now if you want to add the comment like this is title, it will not showing in the browser. Alright, if you want to comment this code, nothing else. Also, if you want to know more comment details, PHP comment, you can type on Google, then you can go to the PHP manual or WH School. This comment, also you can comment if you want to add multi-line comment, then you can use this type. You can search under Google, then you can find out this page, then you can see more details. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.